Uba Bindo Lanong Ubade Senior Working President Joko United Democratic Party ulakan tai mardor ya kejingan tho ki katu kat ni haba shwa banyo ya la kajong jylla ka pura la dei banya pynbeit ya por usam bat ke jylla asam habai keren bat kilat thai kubor uba Bindo Lanong ulong ba umi hab jingmut ni pediang bat kitu ki bri ki bedan ke jingmut bat ki bangai ha kata ke pynbeit ya por usam ha shwa banyo ya la kajong jylla da ka ba ulong la dangi ap banyo ya lau por usam la jong tharai onumpat yo hiru ya ke jylla ka pura.
If you wait until the boundary is, identified, maybe you will not even get the state. Maybe by now Ribhoi is gone or West is gone. I don't believe in that. How will you club together the issue of identification of boundary and issue of statehood? If you wait for identification or solution of boundary and let state come later, maybe it will be cancelled also. Statehood may be cancelled also. So therefore, I do not agree. At least you carve the state first, have the state first, accept the state first, then go on. Then you can resume the discussion on that, or work out as to how the boundaries can be determined and all that. But once again I say, in respect of the time factor, statehood and finalization or demarcation of boundary do not go together. Accept the statehood first. The leaders had done the right thing by accepting the state and then resolve the boundary issue later. But I'm sorry to say,